Hi, in this video I will explain how to automatically block calls from unknown numbers. So, I hope you watch this video until it's finished so there's no misunderstanding. The first step, click on the call icon on your cell phone. The second step, click the settings icon in the upper right corner. The third step, click on the block list button. Next, click on the call block list. To block calls from unknown numbers automatically, you need to activate these two features. First, activate the block call feature from strangers to automatically block calls from unknown numbers. Second, activate the block call feature from hidden numbers to automatically block calls from hidden telephone numbers. I hope this video can help you. If you have question, please write in the comments column.